How to share iPhone's internet connection to your PC using a USB cable. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use internet using your mobile phone connected to your PC. Now you can use this trick whenever you don't have any internet connection around your vicinity. So let us begin. The first thing you will need to do is connect your laptop or your PC with your phone. So simply connect it. So after you've connected your iPhone to your PC, what you'll need to do on your iPhone is turn on your data and then your hotspot. After you do that, what will happen is that your device or your laptop will start using your internet. So just wait for a bit on your side. And after you connect it, what you'll need to do is head over to your control panel. So simply head over to your control panel, and after you're on your control panel, you should see your connections here. So there you go, there is network and sharing center. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, what you'll need to do is you'll simply need to head over to change adapter settings. So after you're here, you will see the Ethernet option. Tap on the Ethernet option, and after you tap on it, it should start getting connected. And that is basically how you do it, guys. Now you have the Ethernet connection in your PC, and that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye. Take care.